Hey, happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday. How y'all doing? What's going on? Let me put a little hot sauce on this. Tell y'all what I got. It's a made-up recipe, by the way. Well, it ain't made up by me, by the way. I saw it on TikTok. And what this is some Italian sausage with peppers, onions, and mushrooms, a little piece of sauce, and some mozzarella cheese. And this is just that little corner of green beans I had left from Sunday dinner. I thought, what the heck? So yeah, and for the drink, I got some Gold Peak Diet tea. How y'all doing today? What y'all eating this Wednesday? Going to lunch?
Yeah. See you later.
Okay. We in our training class today. And y'all, when I come up here, I got up here a little bit after 7. I can't leave about 4:30. Our training is over. When I be up here all day, I kind of get tickled. I ain't said grace at first. I don't think so. Anyway, hold on 1 minute, y'all. Heavenly Father, thank you for the food I'm about to receive, for nourishment of my body in Christ's name, amen. So, basically, I was just thinking about my work habits that's different. Of course, I move around a lot more when I'm here. You know, at home I'm comfortable. I used to just sit at the table, but I was so uncomfortable at that dining room table. And now I'll sit in my chair, I'll sit in my living room and prop up at the table. Sometimes I have like a distracting noise on. I had a TV on sometimes, unless I'm in a meeting. Sometimes I'll sit in the chair, pop the laptop up on a pillow because I don't have a laptop table or nothing like that. So, and I just make it work. And it's so funny, as I was sitting up here, but every day now, what I'll do, I'll try to open the door to get some sunlight. Because, you know, you just be in that house working, right? So, every day for 15 minutes now, before I get back to work, I take, when I'm at home, I take and sit back in my chair and close my eyes for about 15 minutes and just meditate and don't try not to think, clear my mind before I go back to work. You know, normally it's right after I eat my lunch or something like that. And I got to thinking, when I was up here today, I can't do that today. This chair ain't really all that comfortable. Of course, I could go back out there to my car and lay my head back, which I used to do sometime when I worked from the office anyway. We just go to my car and listen to the radio. Listen to the radio. And just lay my head back in the car sometimes. So what y'all having for lunch today? This all right. I don't know what I do different with this recipe. I can tell y'all that maybe it's the brand. This is the Italian sausage. I don't really like Kroger, but this was a Kroger brand. I had it up in the freezer. And I got one left. You take and split them down the middle and fry them. Kind of brown them on both sides. And you do the onions and peppers and stuff. And you put it in the oven for 25 minutes to finish. But, yeah, I don't like the taste of Kroger Italian sausage. They taste a little I like Johnsonville. I guess I'm just I like theirs better. I can eat Kroger, but and I think how I ended up with them, they were a substitute. And I just went on and took them. But yeah, I went, like we in training, right? And I went to the restroom. And sometimes when you get up and go to the restroom, he came back. I was so lost, y'all. I don't know what that man was talking about on it, because it's online, it's virtual. And I didn't, you can ask him to go back, but I'm like, it ain't his fault I had to use the restroom. I was drinking water like it going out of style. I said, I'm going to have to slow up on that water. Because, it had me going, and I'm like, I was trying to sit here. But no, I couldn't do it. So, I don't know if where you are, but if you're in Shelby County, early voting started today. There's some lines they say this morning. I will be early voting. It's up through the 29th here. But it won't be today. That's for darn sure. I was reading, what's her name came out with a statement. What's that man's name? Dak Shepard. Not Dak Shepard. That's the football player, ain't it? Or that Dak Prescott. Anyway, the one that's married to the little blonde. He was saying he had gotten addicted to, he had a relapse and gotten back addicted to, after years of sobriety, to those painkillers. And when I think about that, I think about, like, if you have chronic pain, and like the Prince and Michael Jackson, they say, they was taking that stuff to deal with pain. I don't know. I think this could be really good, but I don't know if I did something wrong or something. But the way they were making it seem on TikTok, like it was just delicious. I know y'all probably saying the same thing. Over some stuff I be eating, and you taste it, you be like, this ain't it, no. This ain't it. Because I be doing that when I see some YouTube video, and I make it, and I'm like, they thought this was good. This is not it. I might stop this eating. By the time I get back on my side of town, it's probably going to be 5:30. I'll probably be here. And I didn't take nothing out to cook. Lord knows I did. I do have a little bit more of that shrimp dish from Sunday, but I don't know if it's enough to call it a dinner. So, we shall see. That ain't nothing but a bunch of peppers. Yeah, I'm out of cucumbers. I need to stop at Aldi's or somewhere and get me some for tomorrow. Right now, I don't know if I'm coming in tomorrow or not. Up here, all depends. If I get the data information I need to do a project. It's a lot easier when I'm working with large data sets and stuff to work from the office, because I have dual monitors and you can see the spreadsheets and stuff a lot better on a larger screen. And the laptop sometimes it's a headache. So, and I try to save stuff as a PDF sometimes, and sometimes it don't work out. Like you need to. had bought a box of those. I wonder if I need to see the date on them. I do have a little ground beef there, a half a thing of ground beef. And I got some of those. I hate to open them though. Some of those Dorito taco shells. So I wouldn't mind having some of those. It wasn't a tastiest lunch. Well, it'll help if I don't eat my wig, right? But it was pretty good. Yeah, I was talking to someone, and I just be like, one thing I know, if you want to change, you got to have a different mindset. Because you can't say you want to change, and the first thing this was around spending. They say they want to save, but as soon as they say something, they always got this, I'm going to buy this or I'm going to buy that. And I'm like, but that ain't even nothing you need. And it's so true. You have to have a different mindset. You got to get your mind right first. I guess that's in anything. It's so funny how I would do really well on my eating for a period of time, and then sometimes just collapse. Like, you just don't even want to think about it sometimes. But anyway. Well, that's y'all. I got 32 minutes left on my lunch break with a little time up here on the screen before we have to go back into class. I'm probably going to fumble around on YouTube or something and do something. But I hope y'all are having a great day, and thank you for joining me for lunch, this little brief one. I want you to know you're loved. I love you, but God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. Love you. Bye-bye.